Prime Minister of Mongolia Zandanshattar Qompchau and Minister of Road and Transport Dilgir Sakhambarhu, together with the government-appointed working group, conducted an on-site visit to review the progress of the Bagakhangai Khushig Valley Branch Railroad construction project. The new railway line will branch off from the Bagakhangai station of Ulaanbaatar Railway JV, pass through the southern area of Siriglinsom of Tuv Amuk and the Chinggis Khan International Airport, connecting to the transport and logistics zone, which is being developed in Khushig Valley as a major freight transportation hub. Engineers and technical workers of the Ulaanbaatar Railway JV completed the extension works at Bagakhangai Station, specifically the railway branching section from June 10th to July 8th, 2025. The construction work of the branch railway line extending from Bagakhangai Station to Khushig Valley, planned to span 102 kilometers in length with 2 stations, 4 passing loops, and approximately 2.5 kilometers of bridge structures, is currently in full progress. The railway construction is being executed around the clock by approximately 2,500 engineers and technical specialists of 70 domestic entities and companies, using around 1,500 units of equipment and machinery.